Hey everyone, welcome back to Saas Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem Webtoon promo codes so you can unlock free coins in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to the official Webtoon website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in or the redeem option won't appear later in the process. Step 2. Hover your mouse over your profile or account area without clicking. This will bring up a drop-down menu with more settings and options. Step 3. Now click on the account option. It'll take you to your full account settings and profile details. Step 4. Scroll down the menu that appears and click on Redeem Free Coins. This is where Webtoon lets users enter special promo codes for rewards. Step 5. In the Redeem section, enter your promo code in the provided field. Double-check the code for typos, as it must match exactly to work. Step 6. Select the device you are using from the drop-down. This helps Webtoon know how to apply the coins to your account properly. Step 7. Submit the form to apply your promo code and receive your free coins. If the code is valid, the coins will be added right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more quick tech tips.